Hi guys, it's your girl Forex Pro in this video, and in this video I will be explaining to you on how to install our latest board, which is called the Gold Board Ultra. So with that being said, let's get into this video. So firstly, you are going to be importing your board that we have sent to you onto your PC or your computer. So when you are done with that, you go to the location where you have imported it on. In this case, for me, I have imported it onto my downloads in my file. So I'm just going to go to my files. And as you can see, there it is. It is imported. So what I'm going to do now is right click on it and copy it. Okay, we are done. Then you just close this window. And now I'm going to go to my trading platform. And once I have logged onto my trading platform, I'm going to go to my left hand side corner and click on File. And then I'm going to get this menu. I'm going to scroll down to Open Data folder. I'm going to click on it. Okay, so this menu was opened. So now I'm going to go to MQL4. Double click on it. It opens another menu. So in this menu, there are so many things listed, but I'm going to look for a folder called Experts. Once you have found it, you double click on it. Okay, so we have opened the expert folder, and that's where we are going to paste our Gold Board Ultra. So you're just gonna right click and paste. I've already pasted this EA on my experts, but for demonstration, I'm going to replace the file. Okay, as you can see, my board has been pasted onto my expert folder. Now let's close this window. So I'm going to go to my navigator. And under Expert Advisor, I'm going to refresh my Expert Advisors because I won't be able to find the board if I don't refresh it. So let's go ahead and right click on the icon, and a menu as such will drop. Just go to refresh. Okay, so our Expert Advisors has been refreshed. Let's look for our board. Okay, so here is our board, the Gold Board Ultra. Now you're going to drag the board onto your gold charts. Okay, so this menu is going to pop up, and it's very important for this menu. It's very important, so pay attention at this point in the video. You're going to get the About, which is the name of the board, Gold Board Ultra. And we are also going to get the manufacturer of the board, which is the FX Bank Robbers. And then you go to your common. Here, you should allow live trading. And also allow DLL imports. And as well as modification of signals. Then you go to your inputs. So here you're just going to fill in all your inputs, such as the volume size and the volume upper limit, which are also known as the lot sizes. and we'll emphasize more on the inputs in our email. So there's no need to worry about it. When you are done with filling in your inputs, you're just gonna press OK. And just like that, your bot has been installed onto your MetaTrader platform and into your trading account. So all you have to do now is allow live trading and the bot will do its job. So thank you guys for your time. Have a good one.